On Apple, the composite line is suggesting we're going to get a bottom any day on Apple. There is a target of 172 that I have, and that hasn't quite been hit yet, but I'm looking for Apple to rebound strongly and take out the high from May in late July. So when I look at Apple and it's looking for a late July high, that seems like a good place for all of the markets to move up. As far as date would be late July. They beat on their earnings, and it shot up there, and I was wondering if it could make it up higher than the Black Wave A, and it did. And that intraday high on Wednesday appears to have been an important top, and we've had nothing but a reversal candle there, a big bearish candle filling the gap, and then another gap and another bearish candle. So that's a really substantial reversal on Apple. Yeah, I think we get a rebound next, according to Hearst, through August 12. So once again, we'll be looking at mid-August for possibly an opportunity to look for more downside and fairly substantial downside. In the case of Apple, only through late September, a rebound only through mid-November, and then on down all the way through January 2021.